Hello everyone, my name is Adela and today I'm going to show you how you can install application from your Huawei phone. If you recently bought Huawei phone, you will see that there's no Google Play Store pre-installed on that phone. So you need to have or use alternative way in order for you to install application like Facebook, like Instagram, Messenger, like that, just like me. Actually, I just recently bought this Huawei Y6P and I didn't know that this phone there's no Google Play Store installed, so I check from internet on how I can install those applications even though I do not have the Google Play Store. There's alternative way that you can install from your Huawei phone in order for you to install those applications that you need or that you normally use if you are using Android phone without the Google Play Store. Okay, so if you're interested to know what is that application, please stay tuned and I'll show it to you now. Okay, so this is my Huawei Y6P. As you can see, I already have those usual applications that we normally use like Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger, and TikTok. I already installed this application because I already have the Aptoide application. So this Aptoide application is what you need if you would like to install those applications. The function of this application is actually same with Google Play Store. From this application, you can install different applications like Facebook, Instagram, and other games like this one. Okay, so how you can install this on your phone? Let me show it to you now. Okay, so I'll uninstall first this Aptoide so that you will see how I installed it on this phone. Okay, so I already uninstalled Aptoide. I'll show you how I managed to install this application. The first thing that you need to do is to open your browser. I already have here the Aptoide application, but let me show you how I open it. So you just search for Aptoide, Alpha, Peter, Tango, Oscar, India, Delta, Echo, Aptoide, and then select Aptoide download. Then after that, go down or scroll down. Then you will see this aptoide.en.uptodown.com. This is the Aptoide application that you should install on your device. So the version of this Aptoide is 9.11.0.3. So just click this application, then you will be on this website up to down. You will see here latest version. Just click latest version and then click download. Then after you click download, you just need to wait for a few minutes. Then the application will be downloaded on your device. So let's just wait for a few minutes. Let's just wait for a few minutes because it will take some time depending on your internet connection. Okay, so let's just wait. It's still downloading. Almost there. Okay, so after this application has been downloaded, you just need to click install. Okay, so it's already downloaded. no risk detected. So just click install from the bottom part of your screen, then wait for it to be installed. Then once it's installed, that's it. You can already download any application that you want. Same with the function if you are using, same application if you are using the Google App Store. Okay, so I'll just open it. So this is the application, Aptoide. I'll put it here. Then I'll open it so that you will see. Okay, so just skip. No, cancel. So that's it. This is the application that you need if you would like to install any application to your Huawei phone, like my phone, Huawei Y6P. Okay, so if you have any question, if you have any clarification, just let me know and I'll do my best to answer it for you. The link of the website or of this application, I'll just put on my description down below so that you can just click the link if you would like to download this application. Okay, so thank you again and hope to see you on my next video. Please stay safe, take care, and bye.